Hello guys, it is EA Info here. If you are not familiar with our channel, here we discuss technology and life hacks for the improvement of our lives. So, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Today, we've got something fascinating to talk about. We're diving deep into the world of natural language processing, or NLP, and how it's making machines understand human language. But don't worry, we'll keep it super simple. What is natural language processing? Alright, let's start with the basics. Well, it's like teaching computers to talk and understand human language, just like we're doing now. Imagine your computer as a language detective. How does NLP work? So, how do computers become language detectives? It's all about patterns and rules. Computers look at lots and lots of words and sentences to figure out how language works. It's kind of like learning a new game. Why do we need NLP? Ever tried talking to a computer and it didn't quite get what you meant? That's where NLP comes in. It helps computers understand us better, making our lives easier. From answering questions to translating languages, NLP is a game changer. Real-world applications. Now, let's see how NLP is making our lives better. Think about your phone's voice assistant. When you ask it a question, it uses NLP to figure out what you mean and give you an answer. It's like having a digital friend. Challenges in NLP. But wait, there are challenges too. Human language is tricky. Sarcasm, jokes, and slang can confuse computers. Teaching them all these nuances is like solving a giant puzzle. The future of NLP. The future is exciting. We're making NLP smarter every day. Soon, computers might even understand our emotions when we chat with them. It's like science fiction come to life. How can you get involved? Interested in this cool tech? You can get involved too. Learning programming languages like Python can help you dive into NLP. There are tons of online courses and resources. You can check out our video about it. The link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.